Hi guys, if you are preparing for Australia or New Zealand OPRA exam, Canada PEBC exam, Ireland PSI exam or US NAPLEX exam, so you should be having a question that why I should select Elite Expertise. So here are few factors that you need to keep in consideration before you enroll in any course. So the first thing is Elite Expertise. It was established back in 2023 June. We started with Australian licensing examination pathway, but with a huge success in Australian licensing exam that of 90 to 95% in each batch, then we have extended our services to Canada PEBC, Ireland, and now to US NAPLEX and so on. So that's the first thing. And who are the main trainers here at Elite Expertise? So at Elite Expertise, myself, Arief, Mohammad, I'm a clinical pharmacist working in Melbourne Hospital, and at the same time, I'm a consultant pharmacist. Along with me, Mrs. Harika Bheemavarapu, she's also a clinical pharmacist and consultant pharmacist here in Australia. So we are the main trainers who train for all the courses, and along with the main trainers, you will be having a trainer for each country. For example, for Canada, we have a Canadian pharmacist who will be teaching you about the Canadian law and ethics and so on. And for Ireland, we have an Irish pharmacist who will be teaching you about all the Irish laws and Ireland healthcare system and so on. Okay? So that's the second factor. And then the third one is when it comes to the curriculum coverage. Okay? So here at Elite Expertise, we cover our classes. Each lecture will be designed based on the examination blueprint. So the examination blueprint, for example, if you take the Australian OPRA exam, so at first we'll go to the examination blueprint. From there we will select each and every individual topic, and for each topic we'll prepare the content based on the standard guidelines which are recommended in Australia. Okay. In the same way, when we are preparing for the Canadian PEBC lectures, so we'll refer all the Canadian guidelines. Okay. And for Ireland as well, for NAPLEX as well, in a similar way for each and every country, we'll go through their country's own guidelines, and we will prepare the material from the guidelines as well as by using the standard reference books like AMH, BNF, okay, therapeutic guidelines, and up to date. So all these are the standard things that we use while preparing for the lecture notes. Then the next one is about the support. Okay. So at Elite Expertise, you will be getting 24/7 support, okay, from the backend team. So whenever you have any problem like accessing for the app, as well as accessing for the mocks and anything, so you will be getting 24/7 support from our backend team. And all the classes that we take are the live classes, and at the same time these live classes will get recorded and stored in the app. Okay, so because we have the students worldwide, okay, and we know that everyone, they are working professionals and they can't attend the live classes. Some of them, they may not able to attend the live classes, so we record all the classes and each class will be available so soon after we end the live session, and you can watch those live classes as many times as possible. Okay? And whenever you attend the live session, then you can ask the queries, you can ask the questions and clarify your doubts from your trainers. And the most important thing is about the scorecard and the feedback. Okay, so the feedback for Elite Expertise, you can see the Google reviews. Okay, and what we do at Elite Expertise is, as we are saying that we got 95% of the success rate. Okay, so we don't just showcase the result. Okay, so what we do is we mention all our students. We will display all our students scorecards in the official website. So in our Elite Expertise website, if you go and see the students reviews as well as the students scorecard is nothing but once they have cleared the OPRA examination, then we will display that official score report which is provided by the Australian Pharmacy Council. In a similar way, we do it for all the other examinations as well. So with that, it will be quite clear that how many candidates has really they appeared the exam and how many candidates have really cleared the exam from Elite Expertise. Okay, so please don't forget to check this one. And well, when it comes to the teaching methodology, okay, so at Elite Expertise, the teaching methodology is completely different from what you see in other institutes, because here at Elite Expertise, the main reason why there is such a huge success of 90%, 92%, 95% in each batch, okay, so we are maintaining a success rate of 90 to 95%. So the main reason is you can have a demo lecture as well, okay, so where we will be discussing mainly about the real life case scenarios. Okay. So as we are a clinical pharmacist working in the hospitals, so we come across a lot of cases. Okay. So whatever the case that we come across while we are practicing, so we will discuss the same cases with our students, and this thing, it will help in clearing the examinations. So that's the main backbone for us, okay, so where we are able to make our students clear their exams in their first go. Okay. That's the important thing. And always at Elite Expertise, we are happy to provide free demo lectures, okay, any number of times. Okay. So if you want to have a demo lecture, okay, then you can ask to our team members, then our team members will put you straight away in the live session which is going on with the other students. Okay, so you can participate in those demo lectures, okay, and you can watch the demo lectures as many times as possible. And the most important one is at Elite Expertise, we provide you the lifetime access. Lifetime access in the sense, when once you enroll with us, until you pass the examination, so you will be having the full access. Okay, so we don't charge any extra amount. For instance, if the batch gets extended for you, okay, if you have planned to sit the exam in this batch but you can't do it, if you want to go it for the next batch also, so we never charge any amount from you. Okay, so that's the main reason, guys, why you have to enroll with Elite Expertise if you are preparing for any sort of the licensing examinations. Okay. Now please book a demo session with us. Okay, so our team is happy to help you out. So you can book a demo class and you can attend a number of demo classes and you can make your own decision. Okay. So thank you so much.